Daniel from Fast Forward Dance Studio, and today I'm going to bring you again something about salsa, mainly social dancing, salsa, and we're going to do a little bit of combination of the open break. So the open break steps would generally mean these are the basic steps. You go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. The open break would mean the person who's leading breaks a step and goes into the opposite side and brings the partner in. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So I'll move again to the basic step. 5, 6, 7. I'm moving back. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now the open break steps you can club it up with a basic right turn for the ladies or a basic left turn with the ladies. So when you're doing the basic step of the open break, you go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now if I wanted to combine this open break with the right turn, so it goes basically the basic step is 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. I bring the lady inside, turn her underneath, and then I go for my basic step. So I'll do it again. So it's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. I'll open 1, 2, 3. Bring my partner in. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So now what I can do is I can also do the left turn. The normal left turn for the ladies would go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. I would lead my partner here and then I turn her. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So that's the normal basic salsa left turn for the ladies. Now I'll do it in the open break. So it's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again I lead her and then go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So I'll do it a little more quicker. So basically 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So I'll do both the turns from the opposite side, from this side. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, open break, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, right turn, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, if I'm going to do the open break cross body turn, so the open break cross body turn would be 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I move her back and I bring her towards my right. Now once I bring her towards my right, I have an option of turning her 5, 6, 7. And then go back on 1, 2, 3 and do the cross body 5, 6, 7. So I'll do it slowly again. 1, 2, cross over 3. I move 5, 6, face her here. And then I do my basic step 3 and bring her back to the original step. Once again, so I go basic 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I go 1, 2, cross 5, 6, 7, and then go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now the same step I can do it in a double hand turn. Everything the same. Only thing is I need to raise both my hands when I'm doing the step. So I go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Switch this. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I bring my partner in. I'll do it quickly from the other side. So basically it's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. That's how I release my partner's hand. Or you can do it this way. It's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So that's an easier way of opening up your partner's hand. So these are a few steps that we can do in the open break combinations. We'll be coming in with some more steps, more combinations in the later episodes to come in. Hope to see you all soon. Do subscribe to our channel and catch up with you all later.